Hey everybody, I'm a Rainbow and I have the fix for your Quest 2 controller drift. Yep, I can help you out. First thing we have to do is pop that battery cover off, pull the battery out. Next, we're going to pull that cover off to get to the thumbstick. It's that black cover right there. Use a thin, flat-bladed screwdriver to work the edge of the cover off. You might be able to pry it up with your fingers. Some of the newer ones have a lot of this black stickum material in there, so you kind of have to pry it up. Just keep working it a little bit side to side. Eventually it'll come off. You don't want to really pop on it or bend it too hard, but you can get it off. You notice I'm just keep working it side to side, back and forth, and prying it up a bit at a time. There it goes. Now that black stickum, you can get rid of it. You don't need it to put it back on there. Don't worry about that. The plastic will stay on. There's some detents that hold it in place. Now we've got to get that thumbstick off. You want to pull it firmly, but you don't want to yank on it a bunch of times. Just put pressure on it, pull it off, and it should pop right off. All right, next we're going to get down and we're going to spray this with some electronic contact cleaner. We're going to find the gaps on each side and just give it a couple of easy squirts. You don't need a whole lot, and you want to use contact cleaner that's safe for plastics. I've got some examples at the end of this video for you to look at. Work it back and forth while it's wet. And you might need to do this more than once, but once again, don't spray too much contact cleaner in there. Now you're going to put the thumbstick back in place. There's a flat side on it when you do it. Just make sure that's in there. Then put your cover back on. Just put it on, press it back down, and you'll see it'll stay in place. Now reinstall the battery and cover, and you're done. Hopefully your drift is gone. It may come back. I can't guarantee that, but this should work. Here's some examples of contact cleaners I found on Amazon. All of these work. They are all safe for plastics. Don't use regular WD-40. That is bad.